Hi guys, this is Evan, your partner in lifelong learning. Today we're going to talk about bet. First one question for you. Have you ever said something you later regretted? Maybe you made a bold prediction like this project is going to be a massive success. But then reality hit and you realize that you were way off and you feel embarrassed. Well, what if I told you there's a simple trick to avoid that kind of regret? It's not complicated, but it's surprisingly effective. Which is the next time you're about to make a decision or express an opinion, ask yourself one question. Would I bet on this? Let's say you're about to tell your friend, I'm sure this stock will go up next month. But before you say it, stop for a second and ask yourself, would I bet $100 on this? Suddenly, you might start questioning how confident you really are. And here's another example. Imagine you are in a meeting and you are about to suggest a new strategy. Ask yourself, if this fails, would I still stand by my decision? That simple pause might save you from making a rushed judgment. But why does these simple questions work so well? Well, it's all about psychology. Most of the time, we speak or act without fully considering the consequences. When there's no cost to being wrong, we tend to overestimate how accurate our opinions are. Psychologists call this overconfidence bias. But the moment you imagine putting something on the line, like your money, your time, or even just your reputation, you are forcing yourself to think more carefully. You are binding your actions to their potential outcomes, which makes you more accountable. This idea is actually similar to what Nassim Taleb talks about in his book, Ski in the Game. Taleb argues that people only make truly accurate and thoughtful decisions when they have something to lose or when their interests are directly tied to the results of their actions. In other words, when you have skin in the game, you are much less likely to act recklessly or make irrational predictions. What's more, well, this does not just work for yourself, it's also a great way to test other people's confidence. Next time someone says, I'm 100% sure this will work, try asking them, would you bet on that? You'll notice that people often hesitate, and if they don't, you also get more information. This increases the likelihood that their opinion is worth trusting. So here's your challenge. The next time you're about to share an opinion or make a decision, ask yourself, would I bet on this? And if you are having discussion with someone, try asking them, would you bet on that? It's a simple trick, but it can make a huge difference. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.